Hi, dolphins. So today, what we're gonna talk about, a little bit of math and a little bit of science stuff. Because we've been talking about weather, I want to talk to you about rain. Does anybody ever wonder why it rains? Why does it rain? How does the rain get here? How do we get rain? Where does it come from? So, what happens is our earth is filled with different places that have water. There's oceans, there is lakes, there's rivers, and there's water. So the sun is in the sky and it's heating up our ground and our water and our oceans and our rivers and our lakes. So it heats up these bodies of water and the water starts to evaporate. So it causes water vapor to come up from the bodies of water. So once that water comes up, it comes up as a gas or a vapor, okay? Vapor means gas or air, something like that, okay? So a vapor comes from the water and goes into the sky. The vapor causes little droplets in the sky. They start to form clouds, okay? The little droplets form clouds in the sky, okay? And when the clouds get so full, they start getting full and bigger, and that's when you look up in the sky and you say, oh my gosh, it's so dark and there's so many clouds. That's how you know it's gonna rain, if you see a cloud, right? So when the water gets so full, the cloud gets so full of the water droplets, it bursts. And then when it bursts, that's when it rains, or it hails, or it snows, okay? So that's how we get water. So it constantly goes through the evaporation, okay? So it comes from the ground and it comes up, and the water, the sun heats up the water and the water evaporates, and it comes up into the sky, makes the water droplets, and then the clouds get bigger and bigger until they burst and they pop open and all the water comes out, and that is how it rains, okay? So this is our math activity, okay? I want you to see my little cloud. He's so sad because he's bursting. He's gonna burst because he's so full of all the water, okay? So I'm gonna show you my cloud, and I'm going to have some rain droplets, and I want you to count with me and see how many rain droplets I have coming out of my cloud, okay? So this is my first rain droplet. How many rain droplets are there coming out of Mr. Cloud? How many? That's right, one. One rain droplet. Okay, let's see the next one. Let's see. Next. How many rain droplets are coming out of Mr. Cloud now? I think you can see the number. How many? 1, 2. You can see it right there. 2. 2 rain droplets, right? 2. I think this is gonna be better because that way you can see it the right way. Okay. How many rain droplets are coming out of Mr. Cloud now? 1, 2, 3. 3 rain droplets. He's having more and more rain coming out of his cloud. Let's see what's next. How many rain droplets do we have coming out of Mr. Cloud now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rain droplets. And our last number, how many do we have coming out now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rain droplets. That's so many. So, which number is the greatest number? How many rain droplets were the most? How many were the most? Was it 1? Was 1 the most? No. What about 4? Was 4 the most? No. The most rain droplets that came out of Mr. Cloud were 5. 5 rain droplets. What were the least amount of rain droplets that came out of Mr. Cloud? Was it 2? No. Was it 3? No. The least amount, the smallest amount, was 1 rain droplet. Okay? So I hope you have fun with this activity. You can make your own note cards and you can draw them. I just use markers and index cards, okay? And remember the words we learned today. Vapor and evaporation. The sun heats up the ground and the water, and it evaporates up into the air and makes the clouds. And that's why the clouds get so full and so big and they burst, okay? That's how it rains, all right? All right, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.